could rewind it, only us. Oh, I left you when we were blinded. Now time is up, and we tried so hard to fight it, but we knew we couldn't fight it. Hurts every time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to today's video. So we're doing a grocery day clean with me and starting off with this disgusting fridge. As you can see, there are like spills, little bits of food, so we're going to clean that up, take the shelves out, give it a good wash and spray it all down, stock the fridge, get some laundry done and some cleaning. And I'm also going to try and do like a cupboard makeover with one of my cupboards as well. That is what we're going to be doing today, so lots of motivation for you guys and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you guys are up to today.
In your arms, the only place I wanna hide, yeah. I give it up, all for you, baby, keep trying, but the city's getting crowded. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get hurts every time you say you'll be mine.
Okay, so I'm just getting some laundry done and it's not a big load, but look at this. This was Rio's football kit. It was his last match with his old team. He's like gone to a new football team now. This was actually filmed before Christmas. So yeah, what I do is, I've shared this so many times in my videos, I mix like half laundry detergent with half washing up liquid, dish soap, whatever you want to call it, and then put it in hot water to soak. I'll also like rub it together really gently. You don't want to like, you know, do it vigorously because you'll ruin the material. But I'll let it soak for a few hours and then do it again. Wring out all of that really dirty water. I mean, you can see how muddy it was, but wait till you see the end results. I'm so shocked that I got all the mud out.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack.
All I do is save these pickle jars and put the labels on them like this. I'm just gonna find a lid for this one. I've washed them all but I can't seem to find it, but yeah. So this was the breakfast cupboard. Had all the boys pop and squash, and we always have bread here as well. But what I want to do is try and make it like the whole cupboard. It's only a small one, but I just want to make it like just a breakfast cupboard. So I've got some more thingies. I'm going to move this one up and try and get a little like gap in between, and then I'll be back. So we've got healthy stuff to add to porridges or cereal or whatever, oats, more stuff, honey, and there's some like spare flaxseed at the back, and then all the bread and bagels is going to go in this bit. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I know it wasn't very long and the cupboard makeover wasn't amazing, but it's definitely more functional, and I just used what we had, like what jars we had and some little labels lying around that I had from before. Keep your chia seeds in the fridge, they're not meant to go in the cupboard. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this productive grocery day clean with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.